Spaces exposed to risks and disasters that can occur in various industrial sites are littered with risk factors that we did not think of. Above all else, the risk will be multiplied in places where there is the absence of people. 창성에이스 is building high technology and trust by developing and producing flame detectors and fire extinguishing equipment for fire detection suppression essential for such facilities. This place was full of people's lively energy. From where they left, a small spark of fire breaks out. In the event of a fire, it is possible to prevent it only by precisely analyzing and detecting the heat radiated and the ultraviolet infrared wavelength of the fire source, and then alerting about the fire. The fire detection solution technology of 창성에이스 is making it happen. 창성에이스 Industry. 창성에이스 Industries has built an integrated wireless disaster prevention system by applying wireless communication to all flame detectors, leak detectors, toxic flammable gas detectors, arsenic pollution smoke monitoring system, and solid aerosol fire extinguishing systems. 창성에이스 Industrial's smart wireless disaster prevention system protects the company's valuables and minimizes human casualties. The infrared thermal imaging fire detection camera system, which can detect wildfires day and night, large-scale factories, military facilities, and areas at risk of urban fires unmanned automatically, displays the location of the fire on the map and without receiving any effects in bad weather environment. It boasts the best performance. In addition to the medium-range fire detection camera system with a detection distance of 300 meters, you can select and use a long-distance fire detection camera system that can automatically detect fire within 2,000 meters of a straight line and monitor fire at 10,000 meters, enabling more efficient fire monitoring. The Flame Detector, the flagship product, uses the best fire detection technology to accurately detect the occurrence of a fire at an early stage. By applying the Kalman filter technique, it can detect fire more accurately than existing products. A flame detector that has obtained certifications such as FM, EN 54-10, CCC-F, CE, ATEX, IEC-EX, etc. guarantees high reliability. It is used in chemical plants, large-scale gas facilities, automobile plants, semiconductor equipment, etc., and the most suitable flame detector can be selected and applied according to various environments. The Fugitive Pollution and Smoke Monitoring System is designed with an OGI camera and a visible light camera in one piece, so that the pollution level of the exhaust gas can be clearly expressed with color changes and numerical values, so that the manager can make a quick and easy judgment. The data monitored for each designated time period every day is automatically saved and stored to provide convenience in creating an operational record, and the thermal imaging camera installed in the system is a product of FLIR, the U.S. company with the largest market share in the world, and boasts outstanding performance. Portable thermal imaging cameras are easy to use and are designed to be small and lightweight, making them highly portable. Based on its excellent durability and reliability, it is being used as an essential product in the life-saving field. Toxic and combustible gas detectors are designed with a pressure-resistant, explosion-proof structure, so they can be installed in various gas leak-prone areas and continuously detect flammable and toxic gas leaks. In addition to the self-diagnosis function by the microprocessor, HART communication and RS485 communication can be selectively applied, so communication compatibility is superior compared to existing products. The CCTV-based video analysis type fire detector analyzes flame and smoke in real-time video at the same time to determine whether there is a fire. You can analyze the fire by using the number and color of the flame's flicker, the pattern of smoke movement, and other background images. It is a product that can accurately detect fire without being affected at all by fire sources similar to flames, such as automobile headlights, warning lights, halogen lights, welding, and sunlight. The integrated solid aerosol automatic fire extinguishing system with more advanced technology uses a stable solid compound as a fire extinguishing agent and works automatically by a fire detection signal in conjunction with a smoke detector, in a way that suppresses fire by absorbing oxygen, hydrogen, and hydroxide by aerosol particles generated as stable solid compounds are burned. It has about 5 times the extinguishing power of existing fire extinguishing agents, and it has the advantage of being able to suppress even in small amounts. The leak detector, which detects the leakage of hazardous chemical substances, is a state-of-the-art system that detects and alerts the leakage of all conductive liquids. The linear leak detection system is easy to install and change, so it is semi-permanently used in electrical rooms, communication rooms, semiconductor factories, and chemical storage. The film-type leak detection system is installed like a tape, so it is convenient to install and detects leaks quickly. The point-type leak detector is a sensor developed to detect leaks in a local place, and it can reliably detect high-impedance liquids with an inter-electrode resistance sensing mode. The packaged fire extinguishing system detects flame or heat to protect expensive equipment such as semiconductors, LCD production equipment, and chemical supply facilities, triggers a fire alarm, and automatically releases fire extinguishing agents to safely preserve defense equipment. It is an automatic fire extinguishing system. It has acquired FM certification for local emission, global emission, and wet bench systems. In particular, it is an optimized essential system that protects high-tech equipment such as semiconductor equipment, LCD, and OLED from fire. The ultra-small clean fire extinguishing system for semiconductor equipment was developed to prevent fires and explosions in expensive semiconductor equipment, LCD, and OLED manufacturing equipment, and to quickly extinguish fires. Since it can be installed in the grating at the bottom of the semiconductor factory, the installation space has been significantly reduced compared to the existing fire extinguishing equipment, and fire extinguishing performance has been improved 10 times compared to existing fire extinguishing agents by using NOVEC 1230, Clean Fire Extinguishing Agent. The residential kitchen automatic fire extinguishing system consists of a fire detector, a gas shutoff device that controls a valve, a gas leak detector, a reinforced liquid fire extinguisher, and an operating device that controls the release of extinguishing agents. In the event of a gas stove fire, the fire extinguisher is automatically operated to extinguish the initial fire, and it is a product that can protect people and property by automatically shutting off the valve to prevent suffocation or explosion due to gas leakage. It is a portable manual valve automatic actuator capable of automatically opening, closing, and operating medium and large manual valves installed in similar industrial sites such as large-scale gas facilities, power generation facilities, plants, and sluice gates. It is convenient to move and carry, and has the advantage of shortening the working time of the site manager, as well as allowing anyone to open and close the manual valve safely and easily. Aerial fire detection and fire extinguishing system using unmanned aerial vehicle is a product developed for quick response in case of fire and effective disaster prevention. When a fire is detected, it approaches the fire area and extinguishes the fire by dropping or discharging the extinguishing agent through the built-in fire extinguishing system. In addition, it can be monitored on the site of search and rescue reconnaissance, sunlight generation facilities, power transmission towers, and wind power generator through the thermal imaging camera mounted on the unmanned aerial vehicle. An emergency that might be the last. 창성에이스 Industries is pouring all its passion and technology for that moment. For your safe tomorrow, 창성에이스 Industrial Co. Limited. For your safe tomorrow, 창성에이스 Industrial Co. Limited.